Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I just want to say welcome and thank you for stopping by. To my regular viewers, I just want to say welcome, thank you, I appreciate you so much. So here are the steps that you need to follow if you want to come to the UK to study. So the first thing that you need to do is to check if you need a visa to come to the UK to study. You can do this by going on the government website .gov.uk. The second thing that you want to do is to decide exactly what it is that you want to study in the UK. An important thing to mention here is you want to choose a course that makes it or that is eligible for a student visa, because some courses will not actually make it possible for you to obtain a student visa. So you want to pick a course that is eligible for a student visa, because not every course can make it possible for you to obtain a student visa. So when you choose or when you pick your course, you must choose carefully. So you must consider all these things. Another important thing to mention here is that you also want to choose an institution or a university that actually facilitates you getting a visa to come to the UK to study. If you have chosen to come to the UK to do nursing, then you want to pick a university that offers nursing degrees. If you want to come to the UK to do law, then you want to choose an institution or a university that offers a law degree or that offers whatever it is that you've chosen. So that is what you want to do. So in summary, pick a course that is eligible for a student visa and then choose your institution or your university. Now, after you've done that, you now want to start applying for your course. After you've applied, you want to get a confirmation letter to say you've been offered a place at that institution or at that university, because you will need that confirmation letter to prove that you've actually been offered a place at a college, university or institution in the UK for you to actually start the process of applying for a student visa. So make sure you receive that confirmation letter, and through that confirmation letter you will be given a special reference number, and you will use this reference number in your visa application. Now, the next step in this process of you becoming a student in the UK is you then want to gather your documents. You want to put all the paperwork that you're going to need in one place. You will need that confirmation letter. You will need your certificates. You will need things like birth certificates, all the important documents. Of course, your passport. You will need that. So gather as many documents as you can, because those documents, you're going to need those documents when you launch your visa application. And also you're going to need those documents when you get to the UK. When you then go through the process of enrolling, you will need all these documents. But as I said, gather your documents. Make sure that you've got everything in one place and be organized. It is important to be organized, because the bureaucracy in the UK, when you get here, can be a nightmare. So gather everything that you need. If you need proof of funds, then have the paperwork in order. Another important thing to mention here as well is that the UK is an English-speaking country. So it is most likely that they will need proof of English language proficiency. They will want to see that you've got a good level of English. This is something that you're going to need to prove. So find out what kind of documentary evidence is required and have that to hand, because those things, as I said, will be needed to facilitate your visa application, and also when you get to the UK during that enrolling process. So have your paperwork in order just to make sure that everything runs smoothly. And once you've gathered everything, then launch your visa application. And if you do things properly, then there shouldn't be any glitches in your visa application. If you've got all the documents that you need and you've been offered a place at a university, at this stage, everything should run smoothly because you have gathered your evidence. You have crossed your T's and dotted your I's. So everything really should be smooth sailing. Now, after that, you just wait for your visa to be issued. Be patient. If they tell you that your visa is going to take up to 8 weeks or 3 months, then give it time. Give it that amount of time. So really, these are the standard steps that you need to follow. Of course, there may be extra steps here and there, but if you follow these steps, you won't go wrong. So this is what I had for you in this video. As always, I hope you found it useful. If you want more content like this and haven't subscribed, then consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Take care.